Hey everybody, I'm here at Warren Wilson College, all my alum all over planet Earth. This is Greg Wilkins, class of 1990, and I have my new favorite student who's here with the Woodworking Crew. I'm gonna have you take it away. So tell us about who you are and your name and maybe what class you are.
My name is Elliot. I am a second semester junior, and I study philosophy and music. Those are my two main interests. And my end goal, I want to be a musician, and I want to be able to make money off of playing music because that's what I love to do. But I also am on the Woodworking Crew, and I want to sort of pursue my artistic interest with building things, and hopefully I can make some money off of some of the things that I learned from the Woodworking Crew.
Yeah, now that you're on the Woodworking Crew, have you built an instrument?
No, I've not built an instrument. We're actually not. Ben told us that we're not allowed to make instruments because they take too long.
They do take forever.
And they're very you have to be very precise.
Yeah,
with,
and they're very finicky, and the thin of the wood, and so on.
Yeah.
How have you blended your academic experience into your work crew here at Warren Wilson?
Well, I guess philosophy sort of teaches you. Well, with a liberal arts education, it's all about getting sort of a well-rounded scope of many different skills, and with philosophy it just teaches you how to solve problems and think. So I think subconsciously I'm always using the things that I learn in the classroom to help me with what I'm working on in here and whatnot.
If alumni were to come back, or if you have something to shout out to alumni, what would you like to tell them?
To alumni, thanks for passing the torch and passing the torch and creating the culture here.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. We are out of here. Everyone around the planet Earth, thank you for being involved here at Warren Wilson. Continue to give your love, time, and energy and your treasure so we can continue to make great things happen here at Warren Wilson College. Over and out. Greg Wilkins, class of 1990.